To most people, this would look like an ordinary platform video game. However, this platform is designed slightly differently than most. Instead of using a traditional algorithm to generate different levels, this platformer uses a generative AI. Specifically, it uses a language model, which is quite surprising, as language and generating platforms are not something that you would consider equivalent. However, in this project, GPTHack, we demonstrate that language models can not only be used to generate language, but also to generate regular schematics for things such as platform video games in order to enable quick, efficient, and exciting content generation, particularly with a focus on how this might impact the gaming industry. In our demo, you can see that each time the character reaches the goal in the top right-hand corner, a new level is generated. And this level is generated using the Distill GPT-2 model, which was fine-tuned using some specific schematics. Each level is comprised of various characters which indicate different features. For example, we have hashes for the platforms on the walls, E for the endpoint, S for the start point, and H for any hazards. The model, on given the prompt level schematic, will generate a full schematic for the level, which will then be passed into the game engine and created into a level that the player can enjoy. In order to fine-tune the model, we generated some platform levels randomly and then retrained the model on these platform levels, effectively making use of the fact that it had already been trained and was already had a lot of information and parameters that were good for understanding the context and the language, but just forcing it to generate schematics in a more regular sense. This is notable when we consider asking the model to generate a schematic without any pre-training. You can see that it struggles a lot and doesn't really give any useful answers. However, in this demo, we show that with our new model, given the prompt level schematic, we get an output that's meaningful. The output's not quite perfect, but it doesn't take much code to clean it up, and we get a fully fledged level schematic for the player. Overall, this project demonstrates that not only are language models very capable in the language domain, but are also capable in other domains too, with the right amount of creativity. And we hope this shows that the use cases for these models can be further extended to impact gaming currently, especially to create wider, richer, broader environments for players to explore.